This is going to be a quick look at how an electrical junction box for a ceiling light fixture is wired. First we have this wire here, which is the incoming power, which goes over to this other junction box here, where it's connected to the power with wire nuts. It's important to make sure there's no bare copper sticking out from under the wire nuts, except for the ground wire. The tape is just put on as an extra security measure. It's important to make sure the wire nuts are tight first. The next wire is this one here, which goes over to the ceiling box over here. And then there's this second wire here, which is called a switch leg. It goes over to the light switch on the wall. Now the neutral wire from the incoming power just goes directly over to the light fixture, but the hot wire goes over to the switch leg, where it goes down to the switch and then back up and then over to the fixture. The difference between the switch leg and a regular wire is that in the switch leg, both of the wires, the white wire and the black wire, are both hot wires. One is the power going down to the switch, and the other's power coming back up. And that's a quick look at how an electrical junction box for a ceiling light fixture is wired.